Companies Act, Section 378Y, Quorum for General Meetings of a Producer Company. In corporate governance, the concept of quorum plays a vital role in ensuring that the decisions made in a meeting reflect the collective will of a sufficiently representative portion of the members. Section 378Y of the Companies Act, 2013, specifically prescribes the minimum number of members that must be present at a general meeting of a producer company in order for the meeting to be validly held and its decisions to be legally binding. This section is explained in detail as follows. 1. Minimum quorum requirement. As per the statutory provision under Section 378Y, a producer company must ensure that at least 1/4, a quarter, of the total membership is present to constitute a valid quorum for a general meeting. This means that for any general meeting, whether an annual general meeting, AGM, or an extraordinary general meeting, EGM, the presence of members equal to 25% of the total number of registered members of the producer company is mandatory. The quorum must be physically present or present through valid participation, as may be allowed under the applicable rules, at the commencement of the meeting. Example, if a producer company has 400 members in total, then at least 100 members, i.e., a quarter of 400, must be present for the meeting to proceed and for any resolutions to be passed legally. 2. Role of the Articles of Association. While the Act lays down the baseline requirement for quorum, it also allows the Articles of Association, AOA, of the producer company to specify a higher quorum. In other words, the Articles may prescribe a larger number of members than the statutory 1/4, depending on the company's internal governance preferences. However, the Articles cannot prescribe a lower quorum than what is laid down by law. They may only increase the threshold, not decrease it. This flexibility permits producer companies to set higher quorum standards if their operations or size warrant broader participation in decision-making. 3. Importance and legal consequence of quorum. The requirement of quorum ensures the following. Representative decision-making. It prevents a very small group of members from making decisions on behalf of the entire membership, thus safeguarding the democratic nature of the company's functioning. Legality of proceedings. If the required quorum is not present, the meeting cannot be held or continued. Any resolutions passed in such a meeting would be considered invalid and unenforceable. Protection of members' interests. It ensures that all members have a reasonable opportunity to participate in important decisions, especially those concerning governance, financial matters, and strategic direction. For more details, contact us.